I'm working on a Ford Transit that won't start, and I've got the ignition switch out of it here. What was happening was, if you pulled on the wires after taking the cowling off from around the steering column, and you pushed it all together, it would start. And I noticed it kind of pushed out a little bit. So what I've done is wrapped a cable tie around it, holding it tight, and then just melted it with a soldering iron all the way around the edge to hold it in place. Now it seems to work okay, so I thought I'd share that in case it helps anybody out. This is where it goes at the back of the steering column, under the steering wheel. So when it's in there, it's going to be that way round, like that. And there's the two tabs, one at the bottom and one at the top. Where my thumb is, there's one of those at the top as well, that need to be pressed in to pull this out. So that's it in now. Put the multi-plug back in the back. Before there was no ignition lights coming on. Now there is. That's all it needed. Like a gentle press at the end of it, or a wiggle with the wires, but this way it's working okay all the time now. Hopefully that helps somebody else.